Hey guys, Dargo here, back with another video. Cocoa Puff 1020 gave me made me a masterpiece of my fox here. So I am super excited to see what it looks like. So yeah. Okay, of course it's so stupid and like you can't really see what the masterpiece is, so you need to um just look at it in your inventory. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh, it's so cute! Good job, Cocoa Puff. You're amazing. Thank you so much. I'm gonna actually give that a like. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm putting it right in my den. Just gotta find a place, obviously. Uh, I don't know. I'm sorry, but you will have to go over here. Alright. Oh my god, that masterpiece is adorable. Thank you so much, Cocoa Puff. I will actually give you a shout out. So, look forward to that. And yeah, I'll make another video when the other person sends me my art, and which is going to be amazing. Like, you people are so great. It's not like fan art, but it's just I just really wanted people to make me a art, and I should really gift her something back. I don't know what I should gift her back. Um, what should I gift her back? Should I gift her back something? Well, obviously she's amazing. Maybe a den item. Maybe I don't know. I'll gift her back later, but I will certainly do that though. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Also, come to my den and you can, or jamagram me and you can come to my den and check out my cool art gallery with all these amazing arts I got. I also got this one of Julian 2. Super great. I got this emoji one. I love that emoji. These ones I made myself. Yeah, the Pokemon one I made myself. Um, this is from someone else too. This is for me. I really like it. It's super cute. This one is also from someone. I am his buddy also. And also this one is a art for me. Why can't I? That's weird. This art is from Taco Cat 247. This really awesome galaxy is from Colors. I am her buddy. This art I love too is by Galloping Gray. I didn't buddy this person. That's sad. Should. This person is amazing at making art. And also this one, Stay Healthy by Ravenclaw X. Should also buddy this person. You people make amazing art. I wish I could draw a face like that, but I can't. So rip. I didn't put any art at the top here. I think I'm gonna make an art right now. No, actually, I need to go buy the rest of the studded collars because they're leaving in 7 days. No. But, yee. So, lol. Okay, let's go to. It's weird because the diamond shops, like, it looks really small, but then when you get inside, it's huge. Wait, what was I gonna do again? What was I gonna. Oh, yeah. I'm so stupid. I hate when I do that. It's like, wait, what am I gonna do? Oh, yeah! And then you, like, remember at, like, school or something. It's so stupid. So, yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm so sad these are leaving, guys. It's not fair. I love studded colors. I just gotta put on my spike now. What did I do with my... Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and also shout out to Coca Puff 1020, my buddy. She's not on right now. Anyways, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!